Hello guys and gals, Mike here once again from UAS-Gaming, and I'm in World of Warships. I am trying out the Pan-Asian line. I am in the destroyer here. It's the first destroyer you get, Tier 2. Long Jiang. That does not sound right, or does it? I got issues. So this will be fun to check out. I always love destroyers in this game. I thought they were a blast. I just love torpedoes. Let's see. Okay, it does have wide girth. I was gonna say, I'm surprised I haven't seen anything yet. Pop and smoke. Let's just pop this puppy here. Oh, I got my guy there. You know what? We're going to just take a guess here. Oh, nice. He's toast already. Firing in the dark here. Dang. Alright, that's gotta be a real person, because he just tore him up too. No, it isn't. Crazy. Come back here. I want to fire my torpedo into you. That did not sound right. I got a gutter mind, especially tonight. So, alright, we're going to swing around over here. See what we can do. Torpedoes are ready. Let's move it closer. But until then, nice. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Not nice enough, but nice. Sweep around, play a little game here, and then come back. Hopefully it reloads in that time. I'm detected, oh no. He's gonna turn, I'm sure. I'm gonna head over here into the thick of things where there's multiple ships. Need to get much closer. Oh shoot! Torpedoes ahead. Okay. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna hit them. We'll find out in a second. Oh, we got one. There's my target. Oh shoot, that wasn't good. Oh, oh. Alright, oh. Alright. I turned that the wrong way. I should have popped my smoke and stopped. I didn't hit him with that. Let's see if there's any real people left. If not, we will go ahead and drop out of here. Nope and nope. So we'll see what happened. I think it'll auto say that we won. Seeing we have more computer control players. Either way, it's a fun ship. We'll take a look quick at the stats. Victory! Not too bad. 2 ships killed, destroyed, whatever. Normally I have more than that. Let's see, tech tree. So used to World of Tanks, I haven't done World of Warships in so long. Yeah, 9 torpedoes. How does it come to be 9 torpedoes? Is it fire a volley of 4 and then a volley of 3? Or a volley of 5? Or a volley of 5 and then a volley of 4? Why wouldn't it be 10? Unless there's, multiple tubes. But the thing is, you fire, and I'm not firing 9, you fire twice. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Anyways, the stats are pretty decent. Thanks for watching all. Please do subscribe. We want to monetize the videos so that we can make more money for the animals here at the Sanctuary. We are a real charity. Cheers.